Hmm. Um, I can't see my chat on YouTube. Uh, docs, chat. Oh, there it is. Yo, damn, everyone's here. Yo, everyone's here. For real, for real. What's up, Emil? Ian, Mazman, Chooch, Connected, Damon, Yusuf. Yo, Jesus Christ is Lord, man. You gotta change your name, bro. I'm gonna just call you Chris. I'm gonna just call you Chris, bro. Cause I'm not trying to say that every time. What's up, Donald, Wayne, Jerry, Obi? What's up, brother? Ian? Ian? Did I say Ian? Oh, it's Ian. That's what I said, no? What's up, Baco? Do you trade SMT? Yes, I do. What's up, Dreams? What's up, XXXXX? What's up, Gator? What's up, King? What's up, Normal? Toxic? What's up, brother? I don't even want to gam. It feels great. For real, Toxic. For real, bro. How's my weekend? My weekend was really good, bro. You mean me, Chris? No, I'm talking to another Chris. What's up, Vance, Kevin, Hellcat? Everyone's here. What's up, Syed? Everyone's locked in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's up, Tommy? Everyone on YouTube is locked the fuck in. Today we'll be on the fundeds and we'll be on the what's it called? Fundeds and the new Top Step accounts. So we're starting those new Top Step accounts. Two 50K accounts I got. Um, TikTok as well. What's up, brother? What's up, Ali? New York reversal or not? I wouldn't expect that much movement, but it's possible. Do copy trade? Oh, I do. I copy trade them. Can't trade today. Apex locked trade evade accounts. It won't work if I put an order in right now. For real? For real? Oh, you're right. Is that gonna change or what's going on with that? Check their Discord. I'm not even in their Discord. Can you send me an invite link though? Damn. Okay. Well, we'll be on top step. Top step should be fine. So, I guess we'll see if that changes. Did you connect all your accounts to TradingView? Nope. I'm gonna have two accounts open on Top Step X. You can't connect that to TradingView, and then I'll have my my Apex funded on my Apex funded on what's it called? TradingView. That way you guys can see. I'll be trading Nasdaq futures. I haven't even went over bias yet. I wanted to see these lows for the week. We didn't take it yet. That's one reason, Masman, but also because you can copy trade. There's a built-in journal. You get access to second chart, so I can use one of my entry models now. How do you spell the specific future? NQ. That's all. Just NQ. Yeah, these are all my levels. I marked these out yesterday. No, I execute on Top Step X for the Top Step accounts. They're on Top Step X. My Apex funded will be here. I'm in this trade for Forex, but I only took it on a demo account because Well, it's very simple. See this high? It formed at 17, so it formed in the middle of Asia session. And I was asking myself, and I was like, well, what are the odds that this is gonna hold in Asia? Isn't London like? Is it possible that Asia just ranges and then London soups? I'm not sure the characteristic of, these Asian pairs. Um, so what I did was I put a limit order up here on my actual one, and then I on my demo I took the order for what it is, right? The 4 hour fair value gap, and it ended up, going lower in Asia, almost 85 pips, and my final objective is all the way down here. So that would be 173 pips. Um, so I think, I mean, this is only one example, but I feel like you can probably trust Asia high when it comes to these Asian pairs. This was the second time I've seen an Asian high be respected. So for example, right here, Asia high, dumped, Asia high, dumped. So I feel like, how many pips is a point? I don't know. But 175 pips is a decent amount, I think. It's a decent amount. Like, that's a couple of days, right? That'll be like 1 or 2 days of movement. Like, each day is usually, so that day was 150 pips, but like some days are not even like the third. So that can be like 1 to 3 days. Did your bias? Okay, we can go with bias. So higher time frame, I'm bearish. I wanted to see this low get taken, as well as maybe this imbalance, and for ES these lows. We came really close, but we did not take those lows on either asset. It's a lot of expansion. It's a lot of expansion. Why does this thing keep saving on ETH? It's pissing me off. It's a lot of expansion. We did get a manipulation above midnight opening price. Right now, immediate. I would feel like we could probably reach into this imbalance. I'd probably look for shorts until I'm convinced that we're actually going to reverse to new week. I can't see us, like these lows, man. We don't have to take them. We've already hit the rejection block, but these lows are clean, like just a little too clean. I would definitely want to see that these lows get engaged. And because we're so close today, I feel like it's possible to get there today. How much 120 handle them? You can't really convert them, but I guess the similarity would be like, I think, like, I don't know, if I had to guess, because think about it in days. So this day was 340 handles, so 120 pips is probably like 400 handles, like in terms of how much movement can happen, you know, if that makes sense. Because like you get 500 handles in like a really big day, so that's the idea. Do I think we come to midnight open? Yeah, we can touch midnight open, but if we're gonna come all the way up here, I'd probably just start thinking we might just be reversing, you know. I'd probably just want to see price come into that imbalance and then move lower. This is the only imbalance that jumps to my eye. It also has the relative equal highs there. So I don't mind taking a long, actually. I don't mind taking a long using my classic model to the buy side. And then I don't mind also taking a short after. And I would not be breaking any rules. So that's always good. So we'll just mark out this SIBI. And for now we'll just wait. It's already quite a large movement. So seek and destroy is possible in this morning session. So we 100% could be in a seek and destroy condition. So I'm just going to say that now. We've already expanded in Asia and London. So what are the odds that it's going to also expand in New York? What's bias? I'm primarily looking for shorts. Like, I think price can go lower today, lower than the low. So I guess bearish, but it could be a seek and destroy. Like, price could just keep going sideways. There's actually a decent chance. But right now, I want to see if price can reach this imbalance, right? I don't want to see it go down from here. I don't want to see it go up from here. So we'll wait a bit. We got 5 minutes till the open, so no sweat. We'll mark out that daily liquidity level. And we'll mark out this higher time frame fair value gap is also down there. London lows, the FEG. Yeah. London lows are also there. For now, we'll just sit here and watch the 1 minute, see what happens. In terms of marking out anything, there's nothing here on the 10 or 15. There's a 10-minute fair value gap, so I guess we can just mark that out for now. How do you spot daily liquidity levels? I go to the daily chart and I mark out the liquidity. Daily bias is bearish. Is my daily bias bearish? I mean, I think we can get lower prices than low of day, so I guess so, yeah. Risk 2K for 200. That's funny. You just need a small trade, bro. All you need is, bro, like you don't even need to risk it. Just do like 5 micros, aim for 20 points. That's all you need. Like that's like a 1 hour trade. Just do 5 micros, aim for 1 hour, 20 points. What's up, King? Did you read my comment? I probably missed your comment, brother. I got a lot of comments going through. If I ever miss your comment, just feel free to type it back. I'm not ignoring you. Unless you're trolling, then I'm probably ignoring you. Let's see if Apex fixed. Nope, still not fixed. Hopefully they can figure that out. There's a 1 hour SIBI and 5 minute SMT. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm bearish as well. Yeah, I think it can. I mean, I want to see it move higher first, just on the premise of time. I'm on a phase 1 for Forex. Nice, bro. I just recently passed one of my phase 1. Beta adjust will adjust for contract changes. So we're trading futures contracts. Sometimes those contracts change over settlement, or over settlement and like overnight. I think they can also change, like when they finalize the pricing. So that just adjusts for that. I don't remember the last time I used micros. Pretty bad. You should be a 100% trading the micros, brother. Especially like just without question. You should not be trading something other than micros. Man, I should have just trusted this short. It was the exact same idea from my last Forex short, and it was also an odd pair. From now on, we're gonna just trust it. Yeah, I see both. I see you both. You trade both now, and that's what I'm gonna do once I get my futures card now. My first one. Nice, bro. What's going on with Ethereum? So we're tracing to a monthly fair value gap. I think it can turn the method to and go higher. Maybe. For now, I'm just gonna watch this on the 1 minute. Yeah, you can ask me a question. Can you take a look at gold? Sure, really quickly. I can take a look at gold. Let's see what AMD is opening at. Good, it's going down. That's what you want. I'm bullish on gold. I'm bullish, but I'd have to see like a place to go long from that's high probability. This could be immediate rebalance there. I'm bullish higher time frame. If you followed your rules, then it's good, bro. But if you gambled and got lucky, then it's not good. Are you gonna trade today? Yeah. You think top step funding should be passed in no more than 1 month? I don't think you should put a time limit on it. 700 up already. Hope it doesn't reverse. There's a chance you get a deep retracement, but in my opinion, it'll probably take out the sell side. That's just my opinion, though. Obviously, I'm not right every single time. We still have to follow our model and stuff. What do you mean with gems? Gems is my model, brother. Solana shitting itself. Yeah, good thing I sold, bro. I don't have any crypto right now, but it'll probably go back up. This is why, Wang Jerry. Look at Asia in London. Pretty rare that all 3 sessions expanded lower. It's just expansion, right? We never really accumulated. What's your bias? I'm still bearish higher time frame. Show gold. I'm not gonna show gold again. I'm bullish on gold. That's all. on the daily chart. Higher time frame. Bias on gold is bullish. That's just for me personally. Why do you think price can do seek and destroy one direction? Just the expansion. What's up, Cole? My bias right now, I think we'll move higher. If I had to guess, but I'm bearish. Hey guy, do you I don't know what the fuck that means, bro. What time is it set on our session indicator? The correct times for the sessions in Eastern time. I think gold can reach all-time highs again. Like on the higher time frame. How much you made today, bro? I just started. I don't know if I'm gonna make or lose today. You think tick instead of money for orders you better? For me, it's better. It helps me not think about the money. Helps me not think about the money. Let's see if this works now. Nope, still doesn't work. All-time highs, be specific. Like the highest price, which is 2789. Eventually, obviously not. Just not saying. I'm not saying go long right now, but I would start scanning for, some form of setup. And it honestly could form relatively soon if you get a large displacement higher. Maybe something like that. If we inverse this, I'd probably even long that myself on my account. If I'm being honest. So far, 930, failing to go one direction. So remember, seek and destroy is possible. Where did you change yours? You go to settings, trading, and then where it says appearance, it says money, changes to ticks. Bias of NASDAQ. I'm bearish, but right now I want to see price go higher. I want to see price go higher. What's your reason for bullish gold? The monthly fair value gap. Monthly bullish fair value gap. If you drop down to the daily, this is your order block. And this is a daily fair value gap. So just respecting the discount arrays, rejecting off the higher time frame PD array, forming a daily bullish order block, changing the state of delivery. At least I would expect 2726 within the next couple days, maybe even like tomorrow. This week maybe. If as long as we don't start to consolidate. If we go sideways, I mean we go sideways, Eventually I'd expect it to come up here. And I think just based off the monthly, we can go all the way up to monthly high. Bearish on NASDAQ, but I think it can go higher. Just my opinion. If it doesn't go higher, I won't be taking a trade most likely. I won't find a good setup short unless we go higher first. What's the reason? It's not that I expect it to. I said I want. When I say I want it to, it means that's where my A plus setup is gonna form. If we just go down, like we don't have to go there. I'm bearish, right? The only place I really expect us to go is probably this low right here. But if it does want to go up, take out some buy side, I would love to short from here. It would also kind of align with the time in which I like to take my best setups. Why else could we go there? Just to induce longs and then engineer liquidity lower, take out the buy side, and it's just an open gap with relative equal highs. So it's always a strong drawn liquidity. But yeah, you're right. There is SMT there, so we might not. I'll take any trade as long as we take out some buy side. There's nothing here for me though. I won't take any trade short most likely, but we'll see. I have more models than just this one, right? I can look for a protraction model. It's just one of my models. Yeah, but we didn't really take any buy side. Remember, it can also be seek and destroy today. Can also be a seek and destroy day. We've already expanded quite a bit. We should also mark out the regular trading hours gap, and yeah, exactly. The gap is over 120 points, so you would probably expect it to not get filled. We have a discount gap, discount opening. So yeah, we'd probably not really fill that gap, but let's see. This is nice area right here between 25 and 50. What leverage should I use? What does that even mean? what is happening with gold right now. Going sideways. We took out the sell side and we're going sideways. Our only goal here, guys, is to follow our rules. That's all we are trying to do. Yeah, TradeAway's not working. But good thing we have our TopStep X accounts. They gotta fix that shit, man, for real. Let's keep these. ICES. I'm not interested in anything right now. There's really nothing happening right now. It's just wicking both sides. What's wrong with TradeAway? I don't know. I think it's just Apex. I don't have TradeAway with TopStep, so I'm not sure, but if we swept out that high, we could have looked for a short right there. But we didn't even take out the high. And there's no way you can short this. We're gonna have to watch this one go lower, I think. Just refresh the page. Think TradeAway's working? No, it's definitely not working. How do you decide if it's significant enough? The time that it happens at. And if there's a higher time frame level in play as well. What's a SIBI? SIBI's a bearish fair value gap. Probably not going to trade into that. Looks like we might go straight to our drawn liquidity. No lose one day equals no trades. Yeah, if you want to follow that rule, that's okay. What is Gems? Gems is my model, brother. You bearish? Yeah, I was looking for this green line and then this big black box. You already got the CISD on ES, but I wouldn't take it. You probably don't have lifetime data. So up here, nice. You have to pay for lifetime data. So if you're trading on TradingView, you have to get you can get the cheapest plan with TradingView, and then you also have to buy the real-time data. So CME data group for futures. I think it's like $3 a month. TradeAway's not working. I'll be using TopStep X. The black box is a daily bullish fair value gap or a daily buy side imbalance. So just one of my drawn liquidity below this low. I think we can reach into here. That's what I wanted to aim for. Do I think I'm going to find a setup? No. This one will probably work. We shouldn't really go much higher at this point, but if we do, we can look for a short because it's all about the time, right? Yeah, this is first presentation right here. Good looks, brother. I would love to see this just take everyone out and go long. Please. No. Yeah, it's done. It's gonna go lower, I think. I will just wait and see. I can't take this trade anyways. It doesn't meet any of my criteria. Since we didn't have a clear manipulation of buy side, I mean, you could argue this, but it's not clear. It does not meet my rules, that's for sure. It's not a good day for trading, says who? Says who, GT 900. On my mind, I know. Forex Factory says? What do you mean Forex Factory says? What does that mean? They told you not to trade today? Yeah, TradeAwait's not working, Colin. I think it's for everyone. Forex Factory says it's, yeah. I don't use 8:30 opening. I want to see price. Take out the buy side. Your TradeAwait's fine. It's just a couple people then, or what's going on? It could just be just Apex. It could be just Apex. Let me open up TradeAwait and see if TradeAwait itself is working. Oh, it's just Apex? Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, it's just Apex. GT900, just because there's only yellow folder, for me, for you, if you want, that's okay, but for me personally, it's not a reason to not trade. I'm trading NQ, but I'm not going to find a setup. My model is not going to form. Click settings, go to trading, and then switch money to ticks. Would that be an entry? It can be for you, depending on your model. You can trade, like, if I was to trade this, I would do it like this. If I had to. So I would have been filled right there, hypothetically speaking. But I wouldn't take this trade because it's not a part of my rules. I don't like taking trades like this. But if I had to, I would take it like this. What I want to see? I don't think it matters. I think it's just going to go lower. I'm bullish on the higher time frame gold. Nah. I want to see is a clear manipulation above New York opening price. This it doesn't count for me. I don't view this as a clear manipulation above midnight opening price. So I didn't take the trade. Classic model or reversal model, both of them to me not clear. And there's no clean breaker or CISD. So to me, just wait, wait. What I want to see right now, I want to see this high get taken. That's what I would love to see. Yeah, like all the way, man. All the way. Take out this buy side. Feeling really good that I didn't take that trade. Okay, literally, but what's going on? That's a crazy candle. I ain't gonna lie. You think we enter long if we hit the 15? No. I want to see sell side get taken. To me, we're just gonna get another leg lower. I want this to nice. Really nice. Okay. Um, you think ES caused this? Is this a good free scanner? What's a good free scanner? Did he pumped it? Inverse on first? We did inverse the first, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna take this. I'm bearish. We'll take it, Madman. We'll take it. What model do you trade? Gems. My model. ES never took lows. None of them did. I mean, yeah, ES never took that low, but we have relative equal lows on both. Morning. My crypto was cooked. That's how it be. I wouldn't take this long, although it technically meets the criteria if I was bullish, but because I'm not bullish, although I do think we can probably get this right here. But the risk reward would be too bad anyway, so. Did we really not take out the buy side? Green level is the daily sell side. I wouldn't long. Double purge without purging? I just wait. I know exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, ES did, so if we were to get, but the thing is, like, for me to get a short here, it's not gonna be valid. Like, by the time we get the order block or the breaker, we're gonna be at my TP. So it doesn't really make sense. I can't really look for a long unless we get this. If this happens, then we can short, and it will be a good high probability short. If they just go straight down, we're gonna miss it because risk to reward. I need to see this. I need to see that. Otherwise, we're not gonna find a good risk to reward trade. Yeah, that was really casual. I want to see a higher high. I Yeah, we'll just see what happens. I'm not looking for longs. I don't even want to look for the only way I'd look for a long. No, I really wouldn't, to be honest. Not yet. I'm not comfortable taking longs when we just left these equal lows, and my higher time frame bias is bearish. Not even. I don't even want to take a longs. I'll give you a hint. I don't want your hints, bro. Not doing all that. That's just, I mean, it might not be the right analysis. It's just that's just my. That's what I'm looking for. I'm just here to. Like, at the end of the day, I'm just following my model. You guys got to do. You got to do your thing. I'm just following my model. No, I didn't take a trade yet. If I'm gonna enter this, I would look for a short, and I would need to see the breaker form. I will need to see a higher high. Stop following your model. Find a new one. No. What's your model? Gems. Stick with your model. I will, brother. That's my only objective. Targeting London lows. Lower. I think we can get to that daily bullish fair value gap, as well as maybe the daily sell side. But I guess for now, short-term objectives, these relative equal lows, yeah. How do you create your own model? I watched all of ICT's lectures. Back to, I said, approximately 3,000 to 4,000 ish trades. And after a lot of confusion, I finally found something that clicked. You have to get on here telling others how to trade like it's impressing someone. Go impress someone else. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, imagine coming here and being like, trust me, bro, just use my strategy instead of yours. Bro, what are you, weird? Is that a volume imbalance? No. Alright, I want to see the highs get taken, because then we're in potential short territory. Live or demo now. I'm be trading on my 2 Top Step accounts, and I'm trying to trade on my funded, but it seems like the server is down, so I don't know if we'll get to trade on the funded. Someone has made a fake account, follows people that join your live, tell them to be. Yeah, there's a lot of people pretending to be me, so be careful. Live or demo right now? Bro, I just answered, bro. So I'm trading 2 Top Step evals, and I'm trying to also trade my funded at the same time, but Apex seems to be closed. Yeah, Apex closed. Yeah, it's okay. It is what it is. Okay, well, we took the buy side on ES, so what's fair value get for short? It would none of these. How's your new funded? I'm up on the funded. But every time I join a live, I get like 30 fake GatieTrades followers. I'm sorry, bro. I don't know how. I don't know what. I don't know. We're staying in that lower quadrant, the opening range gap too. That's a pretty good sign of bearish order flow. Live or demo right now, bro. How many times are you gonna ask me, bro? I'm trading 2 Top Step 50K evals, and I'm also gonna be trading my funded, assuming that it begins to start working. Right now, see, order rejected. I don't know why. Trader rate's down. The servers are down. So if we have to trade just the Top Step accounts, I mean that's okay. Is it not respecting that bearish FEG? This one? Yeah, it is. Is that your Porsche in the back? Bro. Yeah, my picture of my dream Porsche. One day, bro, for real, brother. Is ICT on YouTube? Yes, ICT is on YouTube. Mm-hmm. Lows. My bias on Bitcoin was bearish until the monthly fair value gap. Um, this is the monthly fair value gap. We touched it. So I'm probably gonna. If it was me, I would look for some long setups. So maybe if we get a closure above here on the daily, you could expect a run to buy side or something. Could we just come up here? A lot of choppiness. Remember, by the way, guys, we talked about it. Seek and destroy is possible. Seek and destroy is possible. Thank you, broke eye. No, it didn't. Appreciate the rose, brother. Which prop firm is better, Top Step or Apex? In my opinion, Top Step is better. My fund and futures is second, and third would be Apex. What does everything today? I'm not really sure what you're asking me, but I'm either bearish or expecting Seek and Destroy. FTMO. Yeah, FTMO is not bad. I personally use funded by traders, but FTMO would probably be my next option. That's why I'm so little Top Step. What's your age? I'm 22. I'm gonna need a lesson on psychology. What do you need a lesson on, bro? What are you struggling with? Would like London lows and sell sides be taken first for confirmations? For longs? I think you're going for my friend futures. Okay, yeah, my friend futures. I say that's the second best. They're pretty good. Greed? Why are you greedy? Let's dig into this. Why are you greedy? Does FTMO have futures? I don't think so. I personally would not go into CRT, but I know some people who say it works for them. Age and your salary. I'm 13 years old and I'm making approximately 17 million every 2 weeks. Sideways? Yeah, it's going still sideways. There's the buy side level. My guy solved this at why struggling with the profit, Asia London, 17 mil cap, bro. No, trust, bro. Bro, trust. I'm only 13. I make 17 mil a week, bro. Trust. 50% CE. There's this 15-minute imbalance. So what? You look 23. GT, brother, I think we need to teach you something called sarcasm. What platforms do you trade with? Nice, bro. I trade with Top Step. Damn, bro, this thing's ripping. Good thing we did not take any shorts. Well, just because of the what did I just say, bro? Just because of the displacement, my eyes are jumping back to this 15-minute imbalance. So we'll mark that one up again, the one that we marked out prior. I don't know if you guys remember the 15-minute city. We'll mark it up. Classic protraction model. This wouldn't be a protraction. This would, like, if you're bullish, this would be your reversal, right? So this is your reversal, and then if it were to retrace now, you'd have to still be bullish. Then basically just the first stage of market maker buy model, realistically, is what it is. Giving up your heart. I'm 22, brother. I'm 22. I'm 22, and my salary. I don't have a salary. If I get payout, I make money. If I don't get payout, I don't get money. I've gotten 3 payouts so far. It's been a while since I got my last payout. Hold the 15-minute bearish FEG. What is macro? Expect expansion towards liquidity or imbalance during this time period. That's all it means. How long you been trading? It's been about a year. So many short-term buy stops. Apex fix my shit. CB stands for sell side imbalance. Stands for sell side imbalance. Trader bait with Apex is down. So I'll be using my top step accounts. We're in a buy program. You said you work a few part-time jobs. I work one. I work a couple part-time jobs. Yeah, even ICT does not make 17 a week. I'm just that good. It's just that easy for me, bro. You know, 17 mil a week, bro. That's a bad week too. Only a year, including like learning and paper trading. Well, I started 13 months ago. But I started the first 3 months with support and resistance. I was trading support and resistance, and I lost pretty much every single trade. I would say, yeah, I don't think I ever won a single trade. Your salary, 1 billion. GT, bro, how old are you, man? I feel like you got to get on length with this sarcasm, you know? I obviously do not make that much money, bro. Only 17 million. Are you a student at university? I already graduated. I have a bachelor's degree. Nothing to be proud about, in my opinion. Nothing to be proud about. So don't let that confuse you. Trader base down. With Apex, it's down. I can view this as manipulation. Yeah, I don't mind a reversal. Support and resistance, go to A, man. If it works for you, good for you, bro. How do I feel about supply and demand? 3 months of studying supply and demand, and I found absolutely zero consistency in the markets. When did you feel confident to take trades? Probably around when I got my first payout is when I actually started, like, you know. Once I got the first payout, then I was like, yeah, the confidence jumped up a level. I still need to improve my confidence for sure, but it definitely jumped up a level. That, yes, that could be the high right there. That could be the high, but for me to take a short here, I have to see a CSD or a breaker. Do you think live stream affects your trade action sometimes? Possible, but as long as I remind myself, just follow my rules. I can't really blame anything or anyone, right? You follow your rules, you follow your rules. You don't need to do more than that. Giving up your hearts. High, low. If we get this, oh, that would be so good. I would love to take that short. But I had 4 days complete with 3K up in 200 to control lower risk. When I'm somehow I'm down 2K a day. Been there, brother. What strategy do you use? I use my own strategy. It's called Gems. Shout out to the BPR on the 1 minute time frame. I don't see no BPR. Like you could view this. You could also view this. I wouldn't view the purple box as a BPR. I would still view this price range as inefficient. What is a SIBI? SIBI is a sell side imbalance. Reacted 3 times for the 1 hour SIBI at 3 a.m. So it must react a 4th time, right? It just must. It just has to, bro. Because 4 times, that's the number. Like 3 reactions? No. 4? 4 is the one, bro. Trust me, 4 is the one. That was a joke. When we get a breaker in FG, would you do 22 months? Yep, I would short it if we get a CSD or a breaker. Now you went from that to this. I need to lock in. True, I mean, yeah, I improved, but I only improved because I hit rock bottom, bro. I do like I hit rock bottom. What's the size of your trade? Like how many contracts? The trade will be risking $250. My first payout was $2,000. What's a breaker? It's a breaker block. The 4th is to go. No coincidence first FG was used as well. Yeah, I don't think so. But I personally would like to view this as manipulation still. Just sell side, buy side, and then again reverse this entire move. For me to actually enter this model, I'd have to see a change in the state delivery or a breaker block. If we don't get that, right, the CISD would be right here. So if we do get a closure below here, that would be a valid change in the state of delivery for me. And I could start looking for a short. So maybe if we leave a fair value gap or something. That would be the first step. How would I enter the trade though? I mean, not even 2R. So like I would really have to find a better entry than that. Asia high, London highs aren't supported by anything, so today's reversal profile. I'm not really looking at Asia London highs just because it expanded lower. I'm bearish. Did you get the top step with trade evade or top step? I do top step X always. Is your strategy based on period 3? Yes. Please explain a breaker block. A breaker block is so a bearish breaker block is the candle that led to the shift in structure, right? The candle that led to the shift in structure. That's what it is. If you want me to show you what it looks like, well, I'll have to wait for it to form. Simple as that. Giving up your hearts. I know it ain't easy. I just don't want to hesitate when my model forms. That's my main objective right now. I want to make sure I don't hesitate. And if we get that CISD, I'm going to look for an entry model. All my criteria will be met. All I need is a closure below this black line. And I'm not going to click sell, but I will look for an entry model. I would need to find still a good entry. I don't know if we can form a... I mean, maybe the 3-minute inversion would be a good entry. Yeah, maybe the 3-minute inversion's not bad. But we'd have to get it, obviously, first. So we can mark out the 3-minute fair value gap, I guess. We have to get the CISD, though. We have to get closure below that line. Otherwise, it doesn't count. Otherwise, it doesn't count. I wouldn't mind something like this either. That'd be nice, too. I'm mostly featuring PM and AM. Some to the work. Can you give me some tips on trading PM effectively? Mark out your lunch highs and lows. Mark out your AM session highs and lows. Figure out if it's going to reverse on that liquidity or continue. Waiting for buy side to get swept in the 15-minute city. Yeah, I also wouldn't mind if they want to come back all the way up here. Still valid for me, right? Still valid. Would you short off the Cibi? What Cibi? The 15-minute? I'd have to see a... Listen, so I'll explain to you guys this model I'm looking for. The model I'm looking for is a 930 reversal model, right? This is 930 opening price. Currently, we're bullish. If I'm going to look for a reversal, I need to see either a change in the state of delivery or a breaker block. It needs to be one or the other. If that doesn't happen, I'm not taking any reversal. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. I don't have to mark anything else out. I have to wait. We did have a clear raid on liquidity here. We hit the rejection block and we took out the sell side here, a buy side. This is NASDAQ. Apex is not allowing trades on Trade of A right now. No, it's down. Yeah, that's possible, connected. That looks like it's possible. Do you not use IFG anymore? I use IFG, but not on this model. I don't use IFG on this model. How to project the 930 model? I would look for a reversal from here. Oops. I'd look for a reversal with this projection, but then whatever highest high leg we get, I'd look for the distribution down. I'm bearish. I could be wrong, right? Just remember that. So that's another reason you need to have criteria. What are the odds that, let's just say, for example, we come here and then we get something like this? If that happens, well, I'm probably right then. That it's not going to happen. Like, what are the odds that I predict everything that happens, but then the bias is wrong? So that's why you got to have a model too, You're not wrong. I mean, I don't know. We might not come to this green line today. It could just keep going up and down. We could just be, like, another narrative is, look how much we expanded overnight. We could just be slowly coming up and just stop trading around here, We don't have to go down there today, right now, from this 15-minute Cibi. I don't know, Who knows? But we're definitely in a short criteria. Giving up your heart. No. Giving up your heart. I wouldn't mind a short. Something like this. is also good. What days would you then recommend to trade? Green line, London low. Nope, green line is daily sell side level. Is that F15 institutional order flow entry drill? This one, I wouldn't view it as that. I wouldn't view it as that, no. I'm in long to that 15-minute city. Yeah, that's not a bad long. What's 15-minute RB? The rejection block on the 15-minute time frame. Hey, brother, new to the community. What's up, brother? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, my man. What are we learning about? I'm live day trading my model, brother. Day trading my model. This is all not financial advice. I'm not trading the bullish breaker. I'm looking for shorts. I have top step accounts as well. How many entry models do you have? Entry models? I have a decent amount of entry models. There's a lot of ways I can get into a trade. Maybe like 7 or 8. 226 people watching me on YouTube. Holy shit, that's a record high, I think, bro. It's a discount gap. It's in premium, but it's discount opening because we opened lower. So you would classify it as a discount gap. I know that got me first too, but then when I heard ICT explain it that way, it made sense. Can I share it to my brother? No, your brother is not allowed in here, man. I'm joking. Yep, you can invite your brother if you want, bro. Don't ask me. All right, the new CSD would be here. So we'll see. My bias, I'm looking for shorts. I do have a Discord. We swept the buy side. We have a 15-minute SMT. That's London highs. Oh, we didn't take London highs yet. Let's see if we get London highs. Any recommendations for TikTok content trading before hitting 1K to go live? No, I really don't have any recommendations for you, bro. Why Apex? Why are you live every day? I am live every single day, brother. Are you from London, Ontario? No, but I am from Ontario. My bias, I'm still waiting for shorts. I'm gonna align myself with the higher time frame. If we fail to get the CISD here, then my narrative will probably change, and I probably expect those just to slowly go up and up. Because like I said, we already moved so much overnight, man. Like we moved 343 points. But I would love a short here. Straight up. Gonna give it to you straight. I would love a short here. If we get the CISD, that would be a breaker. High, low. Well, their trade bait's not working. Apex ruined it for us, guys. Giving up. Go hop. Can I get your 5th setting close as well? Yeah, we can do that after if you don't mind. TP hit, nice, bro. Make sure I don't catch that guy's brother. I had longs at 940. Nice. It's not a bad long. It's not a bad long. 940. Crazy entry, but nice, bro. Sunday shorts cooked. Yeah, man, if you shorted Asia, good shit. Me and brother new crypto and all learn about day trading. I don't really trade crypto though. This is more like, I don't want to say real day trading, but I mean, yeah, real day trading. Yeah, brother. Tradeovate and Apex servers are down. Yeah, I'll take a trade. I'll take a trade if we get a CISD right here. I'll look for my short. I'll look for a short if we get the CISD. First step would be inversing this fair value gap. So let's see if we can even get that. If we can get that, then we'll probably get the CISD. If not, well, then our model criteria did not met, and we're not going to short, you know? CISD basically means a change in the state of delivery. Let me just quickly start to somewhat calculate risk on this trade. It'll probably be around, this will be $90 per micro. So 3 micros would be 270. So about to be like it'll be like a 2 to 3 micro-ish trade. Yeah, I don't mind. We don't need to go any higher than this. How much time it was resolved? You gotta ask Apex, bro. I have no idea. Why would you short before learning how to get hit? To me, we took out enough liquidity. I mean, I wouldn't short unless we get the CISD, but if we get the CISD, my model's there. I won't wait for any more. Take any trades? Not yet. But if this forms, I'll probably take this. Did you enter? No, you'll see me if I enter. We have to close below this line. That's my criteria. If we close below this line, I'll look for an entry. I'll look for one. Doesn't mean I'm going to click sell right away and just be like, all right, let's go. No. I'll look for one. Yep, this long's not bad and stuff. That is a classic long, if that's what you're talking about. That is a classic model long. So if this candle closes bearish, we can probably take a trade like this. It's not a bad fill. Stop loss makes sense. Covers 50% of the OB. And it covers the breaker. We got to close below though. Even the 3-minute CISD is good enough for me. So we'll probably take this. Let me just focus on getting the fill. I wasn't able to calculate risk fast enough. It has to be 3. Has to be 3. I have to focus on getting it on my other account first. So 3-minute CISD. Whoa, 3-minute CISD makes the trade valid for me, and I like the 3-minute, the 1-minute fair value gap here as a potential entry. So we'll see if we can get a fill. Stop loss covers the breaker. And yeah, that'll be the trade. It's gonna be micros. It's gonna be micros. If I don't get the fill here, I'll adjust my entry for the 3-minute fair value gap. How much money have you made from trading overall? Including every single aspect of trading, stocks, small forex, or just futures day trading. Or you don't use Apex? I use Apex, but I also use Top Step. 10K. That last entire year. Majority of it was from stocks. Go up a bit, bruh. I live stream every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. I pretty much never miss a day. If I'm not live, guys, it's because I'm sick, which I don't get sick often. TP is the daily sell side, but I'll probably look to adjust it. You entered? No, I'm waiting. It needs to come back up for me. I'll probably have to adjust my entry. Oh God, future trading? Trying to make money. What does it mean when order gets rejected on Apex funded? Apex servers are down. If you trade Tradeovate, Apex servers are down. All right, we're gonna adjust the entry. to the 3-minute fair value gap. We'll also adjust the stop loss. Are we really not gonna get a fill? 5 minutes still forming. You could have taken the 5-minute inversion there. Yeah, you could have taken that. That would have been a valid entry. Um. Oh, well, looks like, yeah, I mean, that's a couple times we got edge there. But I'm thinking about, yeah, I'll just leave the limit order there. Still valid. There's nothing here that worries me. I could look. The thing is, like this entry is not really the best. I'll probably put it here. The reason I'm gonna put it here is because ES doesn't have the volume imbalance, and I still want good risk to reward. So we'll see. Hypothetically, my first entry was right here. This was my first. This is where my order was. Let's see if it even goes there. Like I want to get somewhat closer to at least a discount, a premium entry. So let's see, hypothetically. This orange line is what I'm referring to. That I would have been hypothetically filled right there. Okay, let's see if we can get a fill on this trade. It missed us a couple times by a couple ticks, but we might get a retracement into the 3-minute fair value gap. I'm not including the volume imbalance here. ES already tapped in. I will now adjust it to the volume imbalance because ES has already tapped in. So there's an SMT. And if we were to just go lower now, I'd probably take the order block. All right, we just got filled on the trade. This is the fair value gap, but you have to include. You have to include the bearish fair value gap. Okay, so first things I'd want to see, I'd want to see this act as an order block. So price should come below here with a relative ease. The quicker it does it, the better. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait to see if that happens. It's out of our control now. We'll just wait and see. Shall wait and see. We did short the weaker asset, which is good. That is good. So just to clarify, why are you short today? Because I'm bearish. Broker? I'm trading with Top Step X. You're trading NQ? Not. Nope. I'm trading with Top Step X. Top Step X, 3 micro contracts. Yeah, I'll probably adjust around these lows. I might just take it at 2R. I could not take it on my funded because Apex is down. So we just took it on the Top Step X. Which prop firm allows you to trade futures? You can use Top Step, Apex, my funded futures. I don't have daily loss limit either. Can you add positions? Yes, you can add positions if you want. Why is Apex down? I don't know. Check their Discord. How is CK Capital? Don't know anything about it. Where is your break even? I'll break even if I get an order block here. All right, let's see if this 1 minute fair value gap in premium holds. You know, we could have entered two here and then added one here. If anything, that could have been better. What strategy you use? I use gems, my own strategy. Let's see if we inverse the 3 minute fair value gap. I'd be quite surprised, but that's possible. You probably would have been stopped out. Let's see what happens. It's out of our control now. I think we'll just watch this on the 3 minute. 3 minute looks pretty decent. It's a good trade. I would take this trade every single time, without question. Yeah, stop loss is good. The audio went choppy. You're in short. Good luck. How long do you trade? I'll probably be done at 11:10. Usually, if I don't get anything by 11, I'm done. What broker do you recommend for me, beginner NQ CFD trader? Like prop firm or live broker? Reasons for your entry: we sub buy side liquidity into a 15-minute SIBI. We have 10 a.m. power 3 on our side. We got the change in the state of delivery and the bearish breaker block on the 3-minute time frame. We formed the bearish fair value gap. I entered off the bearish fair value gap. Stop loss at the high of the fair value gap. The relative equal lows on the high time frame. This is pretty much an A plus entry for me. You know, straight up. No, it's not your mic. It's my freaking mic wire. Is that any better? TP. I'm gonna look for these lows, but as a final TP, it's possible we get here. And if we get closure below here, my stop will be moved. I said that TP yet. This is just my final, like my final max. I might just take it off here. This is 2R, right? So I can just take it off here and be content. I could look for maybe here, maybe here. We'll see what happens. You know? This is just my final TP. I'm on NQ. Nice, Jaipo. Nice, bro. Sorry about my mic, guys. It's my mic wire. I don't know how to replace this wire. You know what? Maybe I'll go to the store today. I like that order block right there. You don't use TopStep X. With TopStep X, you just trade directly on the platform. Directly on the platform. I'm going to trail my stop now to this rejection block on the 3-minute time frame. If we're going to use this as a bearish order block, we should come back up there. Yeah, this is an A plus setup, man. Regardless if it hits TP or not, this is A plus for me. Okay, not A plus. If it entered in the macro, but it still formed in the macro, you know? What are you targeting? This is my target 1, target 2, and then target 3. I'm still deciding. I want to see how it's going to get there, what's going to happen when we get there. For example, do I get an inversion fair value gap here? Or does it just wick? I want to see these things. Can we get through first presentation? These little things for me will decide if I'm going to take it off here take it off at London, or hold it for even more. London lows is a really good TP level. I want to see it inverse this fair value gap. I want to see it close below. You know what? You're right. Why do I have ICT's name down there? I should change that to gems. You're right. I'm going to change that. I wanted people to know that I'm trading ICT's concepts. But this is my model now, you know? This is my model now. Would I ever break even here? It could retrace. No, I'm not going to break even. Forget about the money and just trade properly. Can't think about the money, you know? Doesn't make sense to break even. The order block's right there. Hold to weekly sell side. Yeah, nice. Oh, that's the daily low. Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. I might do. Let me focus on my actual top step screen. I can't really partial. I'd be breaking a rule. Oh my god, he sniped it. It definitely wasn't a snipe. It definitely wasn't a snipe. Like it went against us quite a bit, but it wasn't a bad trade. It definitely was an A plus entry model. Um, I entered off of the 3 minute fair value gap. No, you can partial. No, you can partial. It's just I don't want to partial under 2R. So unless I trail stops, I think I'm looking at London lows. Something like this. Something like this, and then I'll trail my last one. I'd be really surprised if we don't take London lows. I go live every day, yeah. Great trade so far? Yeah, so far it's a good trade. Kind of an L on the side of Apex though. Like I would have taken this on my funded, obviously, but can't take nothing. I'm not the GOAT, bro. I'm just listening, guys. We won today. That's it. I mean, we don't even know if we won yet. We don't even know. So never speak too soon. If it could still come up, you know, you never know. Never ever get entitled in trading, in my opinion. Never, never. I know paper when I see it. That TBS cycles are coming in my trading room. This is the trade on the funded, or on the top step account. Sorry. Are you profitable? Sometimes. Depends on the month. So far, last month was good. No, you can partial. You can partial. I don't want to partial under 2 risk to reward. But this is a pretty good setup. Could even do something like this. I don't want to deal with any retracements right now. Realistically, we should start seeing some large candles down. If not, then we'll probably get a deep retracement, induce more longs. No, I couldn't take this on the fund. I only took this on the Top Step account. Could not take it on anything else. Can you explain it? Yeah, I'll explain it once it's done. What's its first presentation? First fair value gap after 930. That's what it means. I mean, probably something like this is not bad. Chill. Yeah, that's a large candle. What are these candles? Fuck retracement. You put your stop at break even? Yeah, that's okay. Why do I break? I'm not breaking even on this, guys. I'm leaving my trade. Caught the exact same trade up 1.1k. W Gaddy, nice, bro. SL hit 100%. Maybe. We'll see. It's not in my control now. Monster candles. Those are some pretty monstrous candles for sure. They're coming for you. It's okay, bro. Breaker, then down. Yeah, we just touched the breaker. Range day. Yeah, seeking as much as possible. We engineered more lows. We already knew that coming in, so it's a good thing we reduced the stop. Not much more to do from there. You trade GU sometimes. You think there'll be buys on gold? Yes. Nope. Apex Tradeovate's not working for me. Bro said they're coming for him. Still respecting the one. Yeah, it's not in my opinion, it'll only get invalidated if it touches my stop loss. I think I have a good stop loss. So, listen, guys, don't get worked up. You know, it's literally not in your control. I did not take partials. I don't partial under 2R. Exactly, Jaipal. Exactly. Spit that heat, bro. It's not our control. Exactly, bro. It's not my control. Sorry about my mic, guys. I'm working on it. So I'm looking at this fair value gap. I don't want to see this inverse. It's not my mic, it's the wire, man. Like, you know when the wire just is shitty? No, I do want to inverse. Well, obviously I want to see an inverse. I'm not sure. But if we fail to inverse, then that's a sign of bullish order flow. So we can mark out those quadrants and see. Ripper, SMT with US30, that's okay. NQ sells. Where are you from? I'm from Ontario, Toronto. Toronto, Ontario. Price should go down right now or we will break even. Yeah, baby. You think it's gonna go SL? To me, no, the trade's still valid in my opinion. Just a retracement on what it looks like. But we'll find out, I guess. You know, you take partials in this low. No, you take partials. I don't need to take partials there. You think it's going to SL? I don't know. I don't think so, but we'll see. I see it highs before lows. Easy short. How's it looking on Top Step? The exact same thing you see here. It's on Top Step too. Exact same thing. So we're at about 1R-ish right now. Apex is still down. What time frames? I entered this one on the 3-minute. Listen, yeah, the reason I'm not gonna say calm down but like the reason you should calm down is because there's nothing I can do now. You know, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna be shit and just click X? No, man, I'm still in the trade. I'm not gonna change. Like I'm not gonna panic. You know, there's nothing I can do now. That's it. I took the trade. I said I'm gonna risk this much on this setup. I'm gonna aim for this. Fine, so it's done now. It's done. Whatever happens, happens. Obviously, you can manage the trade here and there, see what, but nothing I can do now. It's out of my control. How can you take partials like this? Push the market down. Keep selling until it goes down. That's funny. Well, lost 3 micros contracts. Do more drama, more PP. We'll see. That better? My guys at Nasdaq's at long that shit. Yeah. So, if we inverse this fair value gap, yeah, it's kind of our last line of defense there. We shall see. Hey, you know what's wrong with the Trader Base accounts? On Apex, they're failing for some reason. Apex servers are down. Can't tell you why. Rip trade, break even. That's okay. Break even, GG's. GG's, bro. Was so close to TP. It was pretty close. It was pretty close. Well, TP won at least. I know. A lot of seek and destroy stuff going on here. Engineering liquidity on both sides. I guess technically in one of my rules it does say if it's potential seek and destroy, TP at 2R. So I guess in hindsight, I could have just taken it off at 2R. But that's very, very micromanaged. It's not a bad trade. And we're out. I'll probably look for one more idea. 1050 macro. We'll look for one more shorts. Probably same idea. We come up, take the buy side. If we get a breaker, CSD, look for these equal lows. Sound is bad. Bro, fuck this mic, bro. So only minus 90 goes. Pretty good. We'll look for another short. It's definitely seek and destroy. We are trapped with and while creating this consolidation plus PPI tomorrow. Nope, it did not take any partials. Did not take any partials. Well, whatever you see on the screen is what happened, guys. How much you make today? Minus $90. How do you try different from mine? You probably don't have real-time data. I think today's a rain day, so I'm out for today after break even. Today's probably gonna range. You hear me clearly? Oh shit, nice. It's not even that bad. You guys are haters, bro. You're not trading Sri Lanka open. Apex saved you. I still took this on my top step accounts. How many ticks? You can do the math there. Trading view is paper trading. I'm trading my top step on top step X. So minus 95. We hit stop loss. We did not hit TP. I hit TP, but yours looks different. Did the micro? Did US 100 hit TP? I don't know, man. I don't know how you hit TP. We had different TPs then. Obviously, for sure. We had different TPs. I did not connect top step. I'm trading on top step X. Guys, top step X. Top step X. Mike has a lot of static. Just let me know when there's static and I think I can fix it. I mean, we were almost at TP. It was looking really, really good. We even inversed this fair value gap. It was looking really good. And then in 10 minutes, we moved 120 points up. So it is what it is, Edged. What's the reason it rejected my sell? I tried to sell, but it rejected my sell. Top step, guys, I swear, I can't repeat myself so many times. Apex Tradeovate accounts are down. I don't know why. I couldn't trade my account either on Apex. They're just down. Okay? I took the trade on Top Step X. I'm looking for another short. Looking for another short. You traded at 10.20? That's why you got faked out? Bro, I don't think I got faked out. I mean, it moved 140 points from where I said it was going to. I wouldn't call that getting faked. I think it's just seek and destroy condition. Top FX is better. Bro, only trade 950 to 1010. So what so if you only trade 950 to 1010, why did you sit here and watch the entire live stream? Cuz I bet you if I hit TP, you wouldn't have said that. You were going to sit here and wait and be like, he might have. I thought you were going. Come on, man. You know, come on, bro. Come on, bro. You know, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, you just joined, bro. 12RR. Yeah. So in my rules, in fact, so I technically did break a rule because in my rules it specifically says if you're expecting seek and destroy, just take the trade off at 2 risk to reward. I don't even think we hit 2 risk to reward. Or did I enter here? I don't remember. I think I entered. So either way, actually, we didn't break any rules. But in hindsight, like just so you guys know, I should be TPing at 2R if I'm expecting seek and destroy. We didn't even hit 2R. We did not even hit 2R, so I don't even think it mattered. You posted rules somewhere? They're in my Discord pretty much everywhere. You just look around, you'll find them. Never mind. We didn't really break any rules. But again, I'll look for another short 1050 macro. And this time we'll look for a seek and destroy model. So all we need is price to be in premium and then look for a breaker. If that happens, I'll look for another short. So hypothetically speaking, let's say we take out the buy side here. And that's on me, you know. I should have expected this. I literally called it out too. You should probably break even there. It was looking really good though, so I thought it was going to be a clean reversal. I mean, no, realistically, there's not the best reason to expect seek and destroy. That's a really nice sell. We just engineered relatively below, you know? Not much you can do about that. I don't think it's bad. I think it'll be a good trade. I would do the exact same thing again. Oh, trade if it's back? Oh, it is back. Alright, trade if it's back. Oh shoot, is that gonna affect my Apex consistency or something? Whatever. Okay, we're back. We're back on, so we can trade on our funded again if we take a trade. Why don't we take that weekly low? Is my mic really that bad? No, guys, we didn't hit TP. You can trade Apex now. How do you get real-time data? Sign up with a prop firm or pay for it. Why don't you get TP? I was aiming for lower. I didn't hear the answer. What was the answer? What was the question? Why didn't we take the weekly low? We just didn't take it yet, bro. We're saving it for another time, I guess. Stop hit. TP got edge, but we learned to move on. It's not bad. I mean, we also hit the reduced stop, right? It wasn't the full. My full stop loss was all the way up here. We reduced it to here. So it's good to know that if we left our stop loss up there, we would have got stopped out anyway. So it's a good thing we reduced our stop loss. I'm down 1K on my eval. What should I do? I think you should just quit, bro. I think there's absolutely nothing you can do. Your whole career for trading is done. Unfortunately, bro. I know. It's hard to hear, but nothing, bro. Keep following your models. Nothing's changed. Up or down. Keep doing the exact same thing. I have a good mic, guys. It's a Blue Yeti. It's just it's not wireless, and the wire is like, I don't know, iffy. Don't full port just because you're in drawdown, bro. Just keep following your rules. Nothing's changed. Forget the money. Just follow your rules. That's it. Would I sell here? I have to see a CISD. Then I would sell. you're on your last trades, deadass just full port. I don't know. Me personally, I don't think that's a good idea, but you guys do you. Why people think you Coda Dialgo? Nobody thinks I Coda Dialgo, bro. I'm just a regular guy. Do you only count bigger BOS? No. Did I close it? It hit our trailed stop. 1041 is IFD inside that breaker. Like it's SOS and D now. It's definitely seek and destroy. Yeah. Think we reject this 15. I'm not gonna try and predict. I'm just gonna wait and see if we get a CID inside the macro. That would meet my criteria for a short, and I'll take my last position of the day. What's up, Abraham? Doing good, brother. What's this macro? It's this time interval. Best time frame? 1 minute. What's up, Bo guy? What's up, brother? What's seeking destroy in poor words? It's when the market just keeps ranging and doesn't continue expanding. So notice how we never took out these lows? It's because the market condition is not to expand lower and lower. It's every time it goes down, it wants to go back up. It wants to stay in that range. You have to understand that because, right? You expect stuff like this. You expect stuff like that. You know, where it just takes the rejection block, for example, or the deep parts of the imbalance. What is your model? Gems. What's that PA? Yeah, it happens. You trade lunch or PM? No, not really. After this, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day off. I'm gonna go watch a movie, go to the gym. I might go to the hot tub today. Ooh. The hot tub sounds nice. Might go to the hot tub today. I did mark out org today, but I removed it. But I did mark out org. I just removed it. It aligned with the 50 minutes to be pretty nicely. And you trade, if we took one trade today, it hit our trailed stop loss. So minus just less one. Like we lost like 0.9 R. How can you expect to seek and destroy? The reason I expected seek and destroy was because Asia session expanded lower, London session expanded lower, and I'm bearish on the higher time frame. So in my opinion, that's very typical for New York session to somewhat stay in a range. We've already moved so much. Yeah, I mean, you could have went break even. The reason I didn't go break even is because I had a 3-minute fair value gap here. Like this order block, price could have supported this order block. If I had known at the time, or if I had remembered that I said it's gonna be seek and destroy, then I would have went break even, probably even earlier, because I don't mess around with seek and destroy. Like it's my worst. I have very strict rules for seek and destroy conditions, because those are the days where I usually lose. So I look to break even as soon as possible. I TP as soon as possible. But I'm not gonna lie, like when I saw this nice move, I was like, you know what? I don't think it's seek and destroy. I think it's just gonna go and go. PM session should be nicer. It depends what lunch does. How long you been trading? About 1 year. No, it doesn't make me hesitant, but that's a good spot to aim for low-hanging fruit. What trade did you take? I took the shorts from here. My short trade was, I don't know, it was something like this. Like, stop at the breaker. It was something like this. Maybe a little higher, like this. Something like this. How much money to start? You can probably start with $200. You can get one funded account. No, I don't really want to meet up with any of you guys. I feel like I might get stabbed or something. Um, unless we're like really close friends, you know? Not even gonna go there. Also, Thornhill, is that like downtown? We inverse the hourly? Yep, we inverse that hourly. We still have the deeper hourly. Where did you get funded for 200? Top step. Are you bearish for tomorrow? I'll have to see how today closes. Depends how today closes. Oh, Highway 7 and Young. I've been there multiple times. I'm 50 from blowing 50K, 5K account. That's okay. Even, ooh, we might get another entry here. This is good. Hold on. Like, we can short this tomorrow. Okay, let's hold on. I don't like that wick though, but I still think we can go lower. So, but that's what's cooking. I took a small loss here. It almost hit TP. I was aiming for like this, and then like London lows, you know, they're relatively equal, and then maybe the daily BC on the higher time frame. But it came back up. I got stopped on the 3 minute order block high. Well, I put my stop here at the rejection block. So yeah, I guess you kind of have to break even. I mean, I didn't want to put my stop to not support the rejection block. I mean the order block, like because my entry was 786. So it doesn't really make sense to put it right there in the middle of the fair value gap. Yeah, because of the entry. I mean, hypothetically, if I entered like here, then it could have been a break even. But I entered on the 3 minute fair value gap. But I mean, it's only minus like 0.99. It was a good trade, man. I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm not gonna complain about it. I would take the exact same shit again. And if we get a CISD here, probably look for another trade. Yeah, I'll probably take a bearish fair value gap here. Just playing off the seek and destroy narrative. Um, I'll probably have to wait for the 2 minute CISD because it's a little bit cleaner and it would guarantee the 5 minute inversion. Just the 1 minute has a disruption with these candles. But I mean, we can take this. Let's give it some time, see if we inverse and stuff. I could just market sell this right now too, to be honest, and it would be a valid trade. Two micros on this trade. I'd rather take the fair value gap. Or if it touches that. I mean, did we get the 2 minute CISD? No, we didn't. But we did get the 1 minute. We touched the inversion there. This will be my last trade of the day, guys. And I'm gonna aim for 2R. Exactly 2R. We got the 2 minute CISD, so trade is valid. So we just slightly missed the fill there, but let's give it a chance. Yep, this is 1 to 2. I mean, realistically, I mean, we could put our stop here, but then I mean, yeah, I like the stop there, to be honest. But the 2R still needs to be down there. Because the thing about this 2R, yeah, like it's not, it still needs to stay there. But we'll put the stop there, plus 1 tick. What is this? Cancel. Because I calculated on my original stop loss, right? Oh shoot, I never took it on my funded. I was stuck on the paper account. Fuck. I forgot I was signed into the wrong account. The loss I took? No, I took the loss on my Top Step accounts as well. So I'm trading Top Step, guys. Just don't forget. Trading $95 loss on the first trade. Yeah, trail there, stop. Yeah. And try to get another entry on my funded. I forgot. I completely forgot. Because I thought it was done. Revenge trade? Why? My model formed. You can destroy CID premium. Entity macro. Simple model. Can't mess up the rules on this one. It's very simple. I don't think they know what revenge trading means. Yeah, I don't know. How is that revenge trading? It's just TikTok haters, bro. That's why I love YouTube chat. So much better, so much more chill, more calm. Let's mark out the 15-minute city. The raid there. We can mark out some deviations here. See if last manipulation leg. Someone said, did you take a trade to the downside at 15/20/20 UK time and get stopped out? Bro, first of all, I don't know what time I got stopped out. The trade I took was this. So I'll show my executions. You can see all the trades I took. Would I ever trail my stop here? It's kind of looking like a breakaway gap on the higher time frame. Like, do I just break even this? Let's see what happens on the 5-minute. I think I like the stop loss here, man. It's a clean BPR. I like the stop loss there. I'm gonna put my stop loss there. If it wicks me, it wicks me. So be it. This TP is 2R. From my original stop loss on how I calculated the position. I think the stop loss makes sense, man. I don't want to see it come back into that imbalance. Could even break even it, but I'll give it a chance to touch the order block on the 2. But yeah, we'll keep the stop loss right there. Because we also have the 5-minute bullish trade value gap there, so. No, I didn't enter on funded. I missed it. I missed it. I thought I was on my funded. Could you teach me your model one-on-one, please? No, I don't have time for that. Respectfully, it's literally all on my YouTube. I'm just aiming for 2R, but like we'll see how it forms. I'll probably trail my stop to 2R, and then aim for. I want to go lower than like, realistically. I want to see this low get taken and this imbalance, but I don't see how I can enter on the funded now. I'm break even, so it doesn't make sense. There's a high chance it may touch that C and go lower. This is a balanced price range. I wouldn't want to see, this stop loss is a little better, I guess, but on the 2 minute, 1 minute, I mean, yeah, the 5 minutes clean, man. I don't want to see it touch that 5 minute high. Sorry about the mic, guys. It's my second trade and my last trade of the day. Second and last trade. I'm just gonna leave my stop there. If it stops me, it stops me. It's gonna be 11:10 anyways. I don't want to sit here. If it stops me, it stops me. I like this as a BPR. I don't want to see it touch it. If it touches it and goes lower, I don't care. Seek and destroy. Anyways, it can just come up all the way and take the buy side now. So, you trade MMXM. Like sometimes it aligns, but it's not my model. But it does align sometimes. So we'll leave it at that. Use indicators. I'm not gonna use indicators, bro. What's a BPR? It's a balanced price range. The reason I'm putting my stop loss here is because this may look like a bearish fair value gap at first, but in fact, this is a balanced price range. The immediate redelivery of the imbalance makes this an immediate, like it's not an immediate rebalance, but it's a balanced price range because we just immediately came back, rebalanced that inefficiency. So if price is going to continue lower, ideally you shouldn't see it come here. If it does come here, it can still play out. It can still play out. It doesn't mean it's invalid, but ideally in your best trade, it won't come back up here. So I'll leave it at break even. It's already 11:03. Oh, a cockball indicator. Yeah. I know, guys. My mic is not the best. How long is it valid? It's valid until the narrative plays out. So whatever that narrative may be, if we're going to run the sell side, then that narrative. If it's simply going to equilibrium, then that narrative. I took this on my Top Step accounts. TP's at the sell side. Mentor was ICT. Do you overcomplicate trading? No. Do you agree difficult PA today? No. You just had to expect seek and destroy. This is NASDAQ. Wish you success, Habibi. Appreciate you, brother. It means you trade prop and real account. Trade in Eastern time after 9:30, in my opinion. Do you enter the long early morning? No. You're gonna be mad if you lose? Bro, if I lose this, nothing happens, bro. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Probably go to the gym, maybe go to the hot tub. Yep, I'm copy trading with my Top Step accounts. At least they should be. Yep, copy trading. Is CRT and ICT same? No, CRT is not the same as ICT. You copy trade multiple funding accounts. Yes. If I watch Gems Mastery, will I understand your? Yes, you will. CISD is a change in the state of delivery. What's Top Step X? Top Step X is the platform I'm using to trade my funded futures accounts. Well, they're evals right now, but you get the idea. Are you full-time trading? I do it every day, the same time, but I don't make enough money. Have breakfast in the hot tub, guys. I don't own my own hot tub. It's in a complex. Can I join you? Yes, you can, bro. I love how you showed it with real accounts as well. I'm not here to hide anything, bro. If you guys read my descriptions, they all say the same thing. It just says I'm only here to improve and show full transparency in my journey. That's literally what I'm here to do. So it would make no sense for me to just be like, I sneak this one by you guys. That's why am I doing this then? How long you been trading? It's been about a year since I started trading ICT. Hats off. Appreciate you, brother. Glad you caught the short. We didn't catch it just yet. Exactly, Breezy. Everything I upload is what I use. What's the account sitting at right now? If I hit this trade, I'll be up a couple hundred. My actual funded, it's this. This is the one that's funded. I'm up. Well, that number is quite alarming, but I'm at that number right there. So 666. Unfortunately, I forgot to take this on the funded. I only took it on the evals. Just following the model, guys. Both trades I took today were right from those videos, Breezy. Just following the model criteria. Apex is working now, but I wasn't ready and I didn't take this on the funded. Just got here, took the same trade on my funded. Nice, bro. I will be cautious of this imbalance. $75 times 2, 150, 300. Dabba dabba doo. I'm tempted to take it here. But I mean, we're break even. Let's just let this one go. See what happens. How much you need to pass? I just got the accounts today, brother. So probably some bit. I've seen every single ICT mentorship. Yes, bro's mean. He's not answering my question. What's your question, bro? Can you explain your narrative for this trade? Seek and destroy. Seek and destroy condition. We're in a premium. We got the trade to say delivery. We still have buy side liquidity. I'm expecting a move down. Now, typically, I just take these trades at 2 risk to reward. So my original trade was like this, but then I immediately adjusted my stop loss. So I should have calculated my stop loss here. That way, this would have been 2R, and I could have closed the position by now. So that's a mistake on my end. But because I calculated my stop loss from here, now my 2 risk to reward is here. Meaning I'll probably... Oh, I think I calculated from here. No, I didn't. I did it from here. So it's you know what I'm saying? I have to adjust for that now. Go for 1K point. I've hit that multiple times. I've hit multiple 1Ks. Use key with your phone for TikTok. I use my phone. Question: why not TP London low? Oh, I probably will. I'm just gonna see. I'm looking to probably close it inside this imbalance. My TP is just here. I'm gonna trail my stop at 2R and see what happens. Is everything you know in YouTube videos, or are you gatekeeping? I can't put everything in my videos. I still have more, but like I'm not gatekeeping. It's all there. It's all there. It's just you're not gonna understand it the first time, you know. Bro, I backed into like 4,000 trades before I could understand it. So I don't remember where I calculated my original stop loss. I need someone to remind me, or I guess I can just do it myself. I need to stop moving my original sell and TP so I can see what I was actually calculating on the premise of, because I wouldn't buy a new mic. My mic is good. It's my mic wire that's bad. And I don't know what type of wire this is. Yeah, the next video will come out this weekend. When are you gonna go after TikTok gets banned? I'm live on YouTube every single day, guys. If TikTok gets banned, come on YouTube, bro. GatieTrades on YouTube. It's like the one platform no one's copying to be me because they can't. How old are you? I'm 22. Teach us how to trade London. Exact same way I would trade New York. Just different narrative, different characteristics. I wouldn't expect too much expansion. Keep your trade small. Play the range. Look at Asia highs and lows. Look at midnight opening price for your PO3. Very similar. 3:30 is a very key time. You can use your macros. How you show live trading in your face from your phone? I'm live streaming from my computer, brother. ITP, no scare, cap without reversal. It's not a bad... Listen, It's seek and destroy. I would not be surprised if price came all the way back up. I'm gonna leave my trade to try to hit that 2R. I'm not worried about my original TP. My original stop loss. I was trying to figure out where I calculated 2R from, right? I'm trying to see where I calculated 2R from. This candle's opening price on the 5-minute. Asia and London consolidated. Yeah, if Asia and London is consolidated, that probably means there's a red folder in New York session. In which case, yep, you should probably expect some sort of large expansion. The original stop loss was 20862. Oh, for real? So I calculated it like this. Like something. Oh yeah, because my TP was here. I don't think so, bro. I don't know, man. This is the one case I'll probably have to actually look at the numbers because I want to make sure I'm TPing at 2R. Is it too late to enter? I'd have to look for a protraction model. So how would I enter? I would wait for a bullish inversion. So that's the only way. Wait for a bullish fair value gap to inverse. If I was to re-enter this. I miscalculated my risk, man. I should be in 3 micros and my stop should have been at the buy side. Money management, and listen, I'm telling you guys, these little things, they matter, bro. Exactly how much you risk on every trade and how much, where you're putting your stop loss, like, these little things make the difference. This should be a 3 micro trade. And I should have already closed and I'd be up. But you gotta make those adjustments, I guess. I don't mind holding this through lunch. I am live every single day on TikTok and YouTube. Yes. I won't change, brother. Appreciate you. Do you enter the breaker block? I entered at this fair value gap. I entered on this fair value gap. I'm iffy about this. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. But you're stressing? I'm not stressing, but I understand that this market condition is seek and destroy. And I wouldn't be surprised if it relative equal lows and went higher. Would not be surprised. We're also gonna get an SMT. Trail us out? No, I like my stop loss here. I wouldn't trail it. I could trail it to. No, no. No, 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 no. Not yet. Not quite. 95, so it's 45 points. 45 divided by 2, 22. 208, 208, 809. Does that stop loss make sense? That's what I was thinking too, Alez. That's why I took this trade. The daily lows are here. And right below the daily lows is that fair value gap. I'll leave my stop loss there. This will put me break even on the day. I think it's a good decision to do that because of the fact we made the mistake of miscalculating risk. So I should have already TP'd this trade at 2R, and it should have been with 3 micros, not 2. So we'll leave our stop loss here to mitigate that risk. Tuned into a clean setup. Both setups were pretty clean, man. I mean, this was nice. We got stopped out. This is also nice. We might get stopped out. I don't know. We'll see. We haven't touched this fair value gap yet. I'd be pretty surprised if we didn't. There's a small fair value gap there, though. Still have that flat body over there. Is my risk management rules in my Discord? Yes. Use indicators. Bro, you are weird. You're weird. You sit here and tell another man how to trade? Hey, go trade yourself, bro. Is a 2-tick FEG still FEG? Yes. 100% yes. It's still an imbalance. Doesn't matter how small. Still a fair value gap. And in fact, if you go to the 5-minute fair value gap, you'll see it's a little bit bigger. It looks like this on the 5 minutes. Notice I included the volume imbalance. But order flow is still bearish. So we'll just wait and see, man. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to touch this. No one's laughing at your joke. Are you an interactive brokers? I am, actually. Purposely ignoring my message? What's your message? Sorry, bro. I didn't see it. I don't see any of your messages besides that one. I'm the best trader in your comments. Congratulations, bro. Why not use the IPG close to the low and bullish breaker pattern? I don't know exactly what you're trying to say here, but I got my own entry models. I really like them. Gold seller buy. I would look for buys 100%. Interesting. Why is everyone hating? Listen, the haters are only on TikTok. If you guys are super locked in and you want to lock in, I mean, I'll say with my journey, but I live stream on YouTube every single day as well. I prefer YouTube a lot more. There's no trolls. Everyone on YouTube asks the questions. You ever trade after lunch? Azar, I only trade after lunch when I'm tilted and blowing my accounts, which I don't do anymore. So no, but can join your mentorship? No, you can't right now. Not right now. And I'm already very picky with who I let in. I personally think this is a good trade, mate. You're doing good. Thanks, bro. I mean, yeah, it's a good trade for sure. It's a good trade because I followed my rules, regardless. How do you do limit and SL show the ticks? This one's a paper account, so this is what it actually looks like on my actual account. I'm just showing you guys on TradingView what the trade looks like. Oops, this should be. Right there. Yeah. Gold seller buy. I said buy, in my opinion. But again, no financial advice. That's just my opinion. I don't trade any. Like I can trade PM. Depending on if I trade Forex, I can trade Asia, but not on these funded futures accounts. No, just New York AM session. I don't like to spend so much time in front of the charts. I start to lose my mind. How many people do you allow in your membership? Usually I open like 5 to 10 spots. That's what I was thinking. But it's not really that. It's just, it depends on the person. I don't want anyone, like, I want people who are actually locked in, man, you know? Like, and I don't want to have to prove to anyone the worth of it. First of all, it's only $50. I don't like to talk about it, but it's only $50. It's literally a top step eval, and yeah, it's definitely worth it. I'll let you know, Ricardo, though, because you've been in the live streams. Donald, you've been in live streams too. It's just about the type of person, you know. Like, I don't want to waste my time trying to teach people who aren't like teachable, you know. Not to be rude, but are you in EN? What's EN? But I'll let you guys know. Oh, it'll be the first of every month. So if you want Ricardo and Donald, the first of every month, You guys don't even have to fill out the form. I know you guys are locked in because you're always here asking questions and shit. So you guys don't even have to fill out the form. The first of every month, so February 1st, that's when the next month starts. I just do it the first of every month, keep it simple. That's not rude at all, my guy. That's the same model we use in sports. Nice, cool. Yeah, exactly, bro. Like, you're not gonna put anyone on your team. Like, I'm not trying to coach everybody. I have been you from the beginning. For real? Nah, I know, bro. I know. 100%. Is XRP gonna drop today? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Which time for this is the 1 minute chart. I'm already in the trade, so I'm just watching this. Why did you take the trade for? Inversion fair value gap. The reason I took this trade, you know what? I'll show you guys. You see this? I'm gonna show you guys. Don't worry. Gatie got you guys. I'm taking this is my trade. You guys see this? What does this say right here? It says 1050 macro. 1050 to 1110. Notice how there's a breaker. And then I look to TP somewhere down here. That's exactly what this is. It's just one of my models. It's my seek and destroy model. Premium market. Took out buy side. We got the breaker / CISD. Probably the most simple model. Can't really mess it up. That's the reason I took the trade. Because my model formed and I was bearish to these equal lows. Can you make a PDF for us if you have time? I already have that PDF, the one you're probably talking about, but I have not released it yet. But it's all on YouTube. Is it bad that it's rejecting? Is it bad? I mean, obviously you want to see it inverse. I think some accumulation here makes sense though, right? It's the middle of lunch. It's in the middle of lunch. Still seek and destroy condition. Could go sideways for a bit. Could stop me out in profit. The thing is, this trade, what's a SIBI? SIBI is a sell side imbalance. So basically a bearish fair value gap, but just a little bit different classification. Likely accumulating before a massive dump. Is it paper trading? I took this on my Top Step accounts. You can see it right here. I have 2 Top Step accounts. This one that says focus because I'm locked in. The next one's just copy trading. Someone said we need bullish structure. I don't know what that means, but sure, maybe. Maybe release it in the Discord for us. You know what? Message me, brother, and I'll help you out. Only because it genuinely seems like you want to learn. But I won't put it for everyone in the Discord. Not yet, at least. The thing about this trade is that I already made a mistake. This trade, if I could go back and do something differently, this is what I would have done. I would have entered here, same entry, but my stop loss would have been right here. Okay? My stop loss would have been right there. Therefore, this trade would already have been, for example, 2.6R. I could have just TP'd here. But not only that, I should have taken 3 micros. See, the risk would have been $190. I'm trying to get close to 200. So that's where I went wrong. I should have already TP'd this trade at 2R, but because I miscalculated, it's not that I miscalculated, but my original stop loss was too high. My original stop loss was too high. It should have been lower to begin with. Therefore, I would have 3 micros, not 2. And therefore, I would have TP'd already. But to make up for that mistake, I put my stop loss right here because this will put me break even at the day. So, how many stop loss? I don't know. It's in profit right now. So, we'll probably leave this. Do you trade with the algorithm? Yes. We're in the same trade. Nice, bro. I'm in Top Step platform. Can you teach me how to put SL and TP before the trade? You can't do it before the trade. But what you can do is, like, as soon as, so let's say you don't have a stop loss and you want to, 2089. All you have to do is go to your position and click. So if you're in a sell, you put a buy stop. So just put it. And then you just kind of have to do it as is. I'm trailing to the current inversion. I did an inverse, but yeah, it's not bad. I mean, are we forming anything? Yeah. Wouldn't be surprised if we swept the equal highs first, but we enter a 1 minute inversion. We didn't inverse it quite yet. Oh, I guess we did by a couple ticks, but it's still just accumulating. Don't let that inversion fool you. Also, EF did not inverse. In my opinion, yeah, I mean, I feel like we could soup these highs. We still have this imbalance that's in play, so I'm not saying I expect that. I'm saying it's possible. Go from there. You go through your constances for this trade. We were in premium. We swept buy side inside the 1050 macro. We're in a seek and destroy condition. We've got the change of the state of delivery right here. Therefore, I'm looking for a short entry model. For me, the fair value gap formed right here. That was all I needed. Took the entry right there inside the macro. We have relative equal lows, which is a strong drawn liquidity. We have London lows open, which is a very large liquidity pool. And then we also have higher time frame, which I'm bearish on, being the daily relative equal lows and this daily imbalance that's never been touched. So that's the idea for this trade. Is CFTC and MSS same thing? No, not the same thing. MSS is a structural change where we actually put in a lower low or a higher high. The change in state delivery is referring to just the buy side and sell side delivery of the candles. Not really the actual structure. Whether there's a higher low there, it doesn't matter. TGF didn't happen last week. Can we expect it today? TGF was met last week. It just did not close in the 20 to 30% range. So that's, remember, just two different things. We did get that retracement, 20 to 30%. We just didn't close there. So just remember that. It doesn't have to close 20 to 30%. You're just expecting, it's just a model. It's just like a model. Price is trading here. You look for a 20 to 30% retracement. That's it. Model formed. TP done. Next. You explained it better in 10 seconds than all the videos I've ever seen. Thank you, bro. That's funny. I've seen all those videos, so I know what you're talking about. Is this paper? No, I took this trade on my Top Step X accounts. I'm just demonstrating it on TradingView just because it's easy to annotate and stuff. Here's the roast if the market didn't go so well. What's your A+ setup? I have multiple A+ setups. This is one of them. Every single criteria here was met. I need a max win. It would be nice to start off on a win here, but I followed my rules. I'm very happy. I followed my rules. 2 trades today. We followed our rules perfectly. Again, we made a little mistake here with calculating. This should be 3 micros. I should have calculated with a lower stop loss. But at what point would you consider just closing out, given reaching your TP could take hours? Hours? I mean, not necessarily hours. I'll probably look to close like anywhere in this range, depending on the time and displacement and velocity of the candles. When would I look to close? I've never used open charts in my entire life. Don't even know what that looks like. When would I look to close? Good question, bro. I mean, I'm not gonna stay here the entire day. At some point, I'll probably just end the stream and probably go to the gym or go to the hot tub. Like, I don't know. I mean, I'll give it a chance. It'd be nice to sit here, hit TP with you guys. But did 10 a.m. close bearish? Yeah, I mean, this is classic seek and destroy stuff right here. I truly would not be surprised. Listen, I would not be surprised if this candle just flipped. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. Do I expect it? No, but I wouldn't be surprised. It's typical. I've seen it before. Why are you obsessed about the hot tub? Because honestly, I forgot that was an option for me. And then my girl reminded me, and I was like, yo, can I re-enter? The only way I would re-enter this personally, following my model's rule, well, first of all, I wouldn't because it's 11:30. But hypothetically speaking, if we take out this high right here and then get an inversion fair value gap, You could probably trust that inversion. No sauna? Nah, that's just too hot for me. I mean, I guess that doesn't really make sense, but the hot tub is like comfy. The sauna is like sweaty, and I'm losing my mind. What mentorship do you study at ICT? All of them. Is data not eating up your profits? I'm trading futures contracts, brother. Facts targeting London low this morning for 1K. Nice win. Finna hit the sauna. There you go, man. Jay knows what's up, bro. Jay knows what's up. Giving up. I was wondering why he wasn't taking profit. That makes sense. How much of a loss did you take? The first trade was minus $90, so little less than 1R. This stop loss will make up for that. So at the least, we'll be break even today. If I calculated correctly, let me make sure I did. 23 times 2 is 46. Yeah, it'll make up for it. Put this at 807. So at the very least, we're break even today, and we saw two of our models form and play out. So I trade micros. What are you trading? NASDAQ futures. You take protein powder? I take protein powder. I mean, I haven't taken it in months, but I did take it yesterday. Can I see your indicators? The only indicators I have are, so this one, AGFX watermark. It just puts my name here and my model, which I put that, and it shows you down here what we're trading. And then the second indicator is ICT kill zones and pivots. It simply marks out for me Asia, London, and PM session, previous PM session, and then as well as midnight opening price and New York opening price. You can do this manually. It doesn't give you any information that, and you can find on yourself. It just speeds up. I don't have to do it myself then. Do you give signals? Not really. I mean, I trade live. You do whatever you want. I don't give any financial advice. But I trade live. You can do whatever you got to do, brother. Do what you got to do. I got stopped 2 times break even on shorts already. This one better hit. Are you also break even on this one, Carl? Probably right. What do you mean by futures? I'm trading futures contracts. It's accumulating too much, getting bored. You trading lunch? No. I'm in a trade right now, so I don't have a choice. I have to hold this. I mean, I have a choice. I'm going to choose to hold it. We're going to the 5-minute FEG. Your stop could be taken. That's okay, bro. Bad trader. Okay, buddy. We're going to 5. Yeah, maybe. Wouldn't even mind that at this point. Trying to get my day going. Better close them shorts, bucko. Better close your shorts, bucko. Yeah, in my opinion, you should learn it yourself. Like, don't just. I don't want anyone to look at anyone and be like, "Oh, this guy's so good, bro. I'm not gonna be better than just copy him." Nah, bro, be better, bro. I only have one funded right now. Starts to accumulate like that, or finna reverse. Uh, no. First of all, you can't even go from accumulation to reversal. That's not even possible. Take partials and not overhold. No. New York launch potential inverse. New York launch reversal is possible, yeah. Over leveraging the funded account trying to get a payout? Me or you? This is definitely going down. I wouldn't get entitled. Just never get entitled. Just do your model and just watch and see what happens. You shouldn't over leverage, bro, but you know, I hope it works out for you. I'm live on YouTube as well. Heavy or still in this, damn, bro. Yeah, I mean, it's not been too long. Only been 40 minutes. Live on YouTube as well. I would encourage most of you guys on TikTok who are actually good and not being hating to come over onto YouTube chat. If you come to YouTube chat and you troll, you're just gonna be banned. Don't mess around with that shit. Be a good boy and look at Capital stock. Nah, bro. I don't like your profile picture, bro. Soup is cooking. Yeah, it might be a turtle soup here. Yo, I'm a good trader, bro. Nice, man. I'm not good at meeting people. Hey, bro. What you say? Watch out. Watch your mouth. Hold on, I can fix this. Looks like we might get stopped in profit here. Yeah, if it gets hit, it gets hit, bro. It is what it is. We'll end the break even on the day. That's okay. Thanks for the knowledge. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day and catch you next one. Take care, brother. Appreciate you. I told you to close, man. Oh, you know what? I should just follow you. I should just follow you every day from now on. Do you mind going live, bro, actually? All right, we're out, boys. So break even day. Break even day. Appreciate you, bro. Can I get your PDF? It's in my Discord. It's free, brother. Take it. I'm not even gonna stay here and watch what happens. S&T, S&P, Mississippi reverse now. Yeah, it is what it is. How were you break even? You got stopped in profit. You lose a trade. Yeah, I lost a trade prior. Lost a trade prior. What's your current drawdown? 0. We're still. Like I ended up breaking even. Them boys been talking to those when I can't even trade you, chilling, Gatie. Appreciate you, Jay. Yeah, I know. TikTok's a bunch of trolls, bro. I got my YouTube chat, bro. Those guys are lit. Oh wow. I have a for my Forex account. I'm phase 2, but I'm trading futures prop firms right now. So, damn, did we really just get liquidated like swept? Oh, damn, bro. We're probably gonna go straight down to TP. Brutal? Nah, it's okay, bro. It happens. Hey, G, have a good day. See you tomorrow. Appreciate you, brother. It'd be funny to just go straight down, but it is what it is. I told myself it's possible. Probably gonna go straight down here because there's no reason to go any higher. I wouldn't re-enter. If I was to, I'd probably do something like this. It's 11:37. I'm not gonna sit here and take another trade. But hypothetically speaking, I would have been filled right there. How to do higher time frame to lower time frame? Yeah, I'll teach you everything you need, brother. Just press sell. No, I'm done trading for today. Done trading for today. No, trade's done. We're break even on the day. Break even on the day. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go enjoy my day now. There's no point in sitting here. No point in sitting here. We could also go sideways, just press sell and set a TP and forget. I'm not gonna do that. That's some villain shit. Exactly, bro. That's some villain shit right there. Definitely not gonna do that. But I appreciate everyone coming through. This was a pretty good live stream. We caught two good trades. This one hit 2R. We could have hypothetically closed, but we wanted the sell side. It didn't hit the sell side yet. That's okay. The more important part is we followed our model. 2 trades out of 2. So 1 loss, 1 win. Broke even on the day. Pretty much like nothing happened. I'm just gonna post about it in the Discord. Bias was definitely correct. If you want to get into the Discord, you have to copy paste the link into your browser. For some reason, TikTok doesn't allow you to go. Who like that? Mubashir is the best, bro. This guy's always there, bro. Cheers, brother. Cheers. Appreciate everyone coming through. Appreciate you, Willis. What broker or fund should I try? Probably Top Step's the best. I'd expect this fair value gap to hold, but it's 11:40. Who knows? Take care, brother. See you. Big dubs. Appreciate you, brother. Yep, I would use Top Step. Are you reading this? Yes, brother. The bio's not broken. You have to copy paste it into the browser. For some reason, TikTok does not allow you to go directly from the link to Discord. I don't know why. The YouTube link will work. Yeah, YouTube works. It's just TikTok. TikTok sucks. But if you want to come over to YouTube, let's play chess. Let me make some food, bro. But the thing is, if I say yes to you now, I already know everyone's gonna message me. Let's play chess, play chess, play chess. But message me on Discord. Message me on Discord. I just passed my first phase and second phase in my prop firm. Nice, bro. I'm almost past my second phase for my Forex account. How do you mark a CISD? Just message me, bro. Good night, bro. Good night, Ace. Take care, brother. If you guys have any questions, message me on Discord. I will see you guys live tomorrow on YouTube and TikTok, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Appreciate everyone coming through. Seek and Destroy Day, which was expected. Which we it was one of the first things we said, that today could very well possibly be a Seek and Destroy on both sides. So W, definitely good. And it looks like I would be happy for this to continue higher, because obviously I trailed my stop, so I don't want to see it hit TP anyways. The 5 minute didn't fill. No, and we were right. See, we were right about this 5 minute not playing. I mean, obviously now it could go play, but that's okay. Have a good day, Ryan and Jerry. All right, appreciate everyone coming through. See you guys live tomorrow. Yep, same time tomorrow. Peace. Love you, brother.